Hello, hello. I am super duper excited to do a sneak peek of the April subscription kit. This is the kit that we do over on our subscription website. That's linked right down below. And it's different than our Etsy shop. So I'm just gonna run through and give you the little peek. It's a really fun kit, really springy and kind of bright. And there's 50 pages, I think maybe 52 in the kit. And we always do that many in our subscriptions. So we like to make it just chock full of everything, and we'll add in some new mini projects here and there. I'll show you some of those. Anyways, I've started cutting, so you're gonna see some cut out and you're gonna see some that are still on paper, and we'll just go for it. So we have a couple of these tall envelopes, and these are the cards that go with them. I print these on regular paper, and then I mount these on a thicker card because I like my cards to be kind of chunky. And then we have just these beautiful different bits of ephemera and fussy cuts that you can add into those. We have some smaller envelopes with tons of fun stuff to embellish the front. That always makes it for a really fun project to decide what you're gonna add and where you wanna add it, but there's that. Then we have two of these, or I think we actually have more. I didn't print every single page in this kit yet. But these are folios, or you can use them as a journaling space, or even you can glue the sides and turn them into an envelope and whatever you want there. And of course we have some extra goodies that you can add into there. Oh, this is one of the fun little mini projects. I recently did a video. Let me grab one. This is from the video that I did of making like mini notebooks for journals or for pockets. And so I made a kit here that includes the tabs to go on the top of your 4 mini notebooks. So anyway, it's super easy, super fun. I'll probably make a video doing those. We have a couple pages of beautiful, beautiful fussy cuts. These are, I mean, these are just gorgeous. And anyway, they, if they're too big for you, you can print them down. I usually go to about 65% if I want them like small journal size. These are for me like cover size, like that big statement piece, I guess. They're gorgeous. So anyway, there's those. Now we have lots of fun papers in this kit, so I'll go over those really quick. I have some that are just simple and gonna be those behind accent pieces that you always are like, oh, I just want something simple. We have some neutrals in the kit. Always add a few neutrals so you can print these on the backs of your other pages if you want. This is gorgeous. Just a really beautiful, beautiful piece. We have this, which I love the background of that with the numbers. It's really beautiful. Some small scale flowers, because I like to get different scales so you can use them all. There's another basic, like beautiful, almost like a wallpapery. It's really pretty. Here's kind of another neutral, gorgeous. We have this damask with this really grungy kind of Tim Holtz-y. Then we have some green. I wanted to get some green into this kit, and we have some beautiful flowers on there. Another flowery background one. This one has some handwriting in the background, really pretty. There's your basic polka dots. I have a couple of basic polka dots because I feel like they're a classic, and I've never really done a lot of them. And so I thought this one, we're gonna include these, and they go just, I mean, you can see how fun that would be. Wouldn't that be fun for like greeting cards? I just think that would be so perfect. So we have different sizes. Then we have another beautiful neutral, and we have this is kind of the main bring it all together page. So you'll kind of see that echoed throughout the whole kit, but really fun papers. And we have a bunch of file folders, and I printed mine with a neutral on the inside. And the file folders, there's extra room on the side, so I always add some extra words, some ephemera to go with it. We have these kinds of pockets. I haven't finished cutting out the little notches. I use my circle punch for that. But we have a neutral set and the pattern set. So you can use either depending on what you need it for. We have a plethora of ephemera. We have some cute little vintage ladies to fussy cut. Some little extra bits, some just really fun, kind of Victorian, I would say, ephemera. Beautiful like advertisements and tickets. We have tags galore. There's some more ephemera. You guys, this is just, I mean, gonna be so much fun. I love these little Victorian card ladies. They're so cute. Some more ephemera, and I added in our theme. There's a cute Victorian gal. I did some squares. I thought that would be fun to play with. Kind of a different shape. Some ads. These are some beautiful journaling cards. They're a larger scale. You can print them smaller if you want. But those are going to be really fun as journaling cards to play with. We've got birds. I added some birds, and you'll see this is, I wanted to make like a huge tag book. And so these are the ones I created for the front and the back covers on those. So that'll be a fun project that hopefully we'll get a video done. Let's see what else. Okay. All right, we have some tall, skinny pockets. I've been liking these tall, skinny pockets. They work really well on journal pages. So we have a bunch of those. And then the tags to go in them with the fun rounded top. We have some neutrally ones, and we also have some that we added images on. I mean, there's just a variety. So I'm excited to use those. Let's see. Oh, you guys, I did a whole, this is like a page and a half. Just prepare yourself. I can't even get them all out. Tiny bits and beautiful quotes. So I made these look like the green file folder backgrounds. So they're really cute. Just different quotes of different thoughts, different tiny phrases, excuse me. And then a whole page of the tiny little bits that you know you always need in your journal. And I made them match the colors of this journal. So many little extras to just add that depth and that texture and that layering that we love. So that's probably my favorite envelope. I love it. All right, we have these fun, tiny little journaling cards that you can decorate. But I've created these to be like triple stacked pockets. So it's gonna look something like that in your journal. And then we have a bunch of cards and ephemera that can go in there. So we have one of those that I did in neutral. And we have one of those that I have done in fun patterns that match the journal. So anyway, way fun. I'm excited to put those together. That's kind of a new style for me with the rounded top, but I really like it. So we just keep learning. Oh, here's the tags. Oh, this envelope is blocking the beauty. We got to get our extra bits out. There we go. All right. So we have a bazillion tags. I have several colors of these kind of stamped looking neutral tags. This is the black and the cream set, which I love. So we have a bunch of those little tags that'll be really fun for clipping off of things, dangles, layering. That'll be really fun. We also have pattern tags. There's some more of our cream and black. And I think I have those in red and green as well. I can't remember for sure. But we also have pattern tags. There's some more of the beautiful cream and black. Aren't they fun? I mean, you can just visualize using those. I can't wait. We have a couple of these, which are awesome for belly bands or pockets. And a bunch of clocks, because it just fit with the theme of everything. These beautiful grungy clocks that are just going to be really fun for layering or journaling cards. So I'm excited to use that and some more tags. And again, I haven't quite printed everything, but I got a good, I think, sectioning of it so you can kind of see what is in there. And I mean, just fun. I'm so excited to play. Also, I was going to give you a sneak peek. If you're the gold member of the kit, then this is the fun project we're going to be making for April. And there is a video tutorial for this. This is the gold project, so it's included in the gold subscription, or you can also buy this on Etsy. So we'll get all of that linked up for you. But this is made with envelopes, and then the kit just walks you through how to get everything made for this. But it is just fun, and I am so excited for this project. These papers and designs are a lot from last month's kit, the March kit, which everybody just loved, with these bright, beautiful greens. And I thought it would be fun to do a little mini envelope folio with it. But I mean, just look how fun. How fun, fun, fun. So anyway, that is our gold project for the month. And time consuming with like cutting out, but so fun to decide where you want things and how you want to put it all together. And really self-explanatory, because the kit, you just kind of print it and then watch the video and you'll just know how things go together. So anyway, that's our gold project, and that is our April. All of it will be linked down below if you want to try it out and give it a try. You can always buy them over at the Etsy shop individually, but it will cost you more than if you subscribe. So I would recommend subscribing, and then if it's not for you or you're just not getting the value out of it you need, you can cancel, and that's no big deal. So anyway, that is it. We're really excited to create this month, and I hope you are too. Looking forward to doing a bunch of videos with these, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.